Hello everyone, welcome to Polkadot. Coinversation won the 19th Parachains slot on Polkadot. So today let's take a look at what is Coinversation. Coinversation protocol is the first synthetic asset issuance protocol and decentralized contract trading exchange based on the Polkadot contract chain. It uses the token CTO issued by Coinversation protocol and Polkadot as collateral, and synthesizes any cryptocurrencies or stocks, bonds, gold, and any other off-chain assets through smart contracts and oracles. The assets minted by all the users correspond to the liabilities of the entire system, and the proportion of each user's liabilities has been determined at the time of forging, so that their respective profits can be calculated. Because such a collateral pool model does not require a counterparty, it perfectly solves the problems of liquidity and transaction depth in decentralized exchange. Coinversation mainly has two characteristics: collateral pool and multi-liquidity pool. First, Coinversation uses a collateral pool to mint synthetic assets, without any need of counterparties and no consideration of transaction depth. The principle is entirely different from AMM. The mortgage pool means that after the user stakes Coinversation's token CTO or Polkadot, a certain amount of CUSD, the stable currency in the Coinversation protocol, will be generated. The price of CUSD is fixed at $1, and the synthetic assets of the entire system are priced in CUSD. Second, Coinversation expands the traditional single liquidity pool into a multi-liquidity pool, which provides more business opportunities and unlimited combination possibilities that will also attract more diverse and broader user groups. For individual investors and general trading users, multiple liquidity pools are more difficult to be manipulated centrally than a single liquidity pool. The assets of multiple liquidity pools can also transform into each other. Therefore, when a large, centralized dealer adjusts the price of a single liquidity pool, the creators of other liquidity pools can use arbitrage to counter the centralized operation of large investors. In this way, individual investors will be easier to avoid the risk of getting whacked by the dealer. For the project team or institution, users can create a liquidity pool to do IDO, using a liquidity pool with dynamically adjusted weights, similar to the Dutch auction method. The team controls all assets by itself, which can help the team to allocate and manage assets more effectively. For call in the market or professional secondary market traders, ETFs can be created through multiple liquidity pools for general users to invest, such as the NFT open-end fund on Polkadot, or the average fund of Polkadot, as official grant fund. Individual investors can buy a token of an ETF fund in the form of an index to indirectly invest in a series of specific token combinations. The future development of Coinversation mainly aims at three aspects. First, upgrading the types of synthetic assets currently determined by the project owner or community governance to different investors who can independently sign any kind of contract on the system. Second, when there are standardized tokens similar to ERC20 in the future, all synthetic assets of Coinversation can be circulated outside the system in the form of standardized tokens and even enter other exchanges. Third, the realization of a decentralized digital asset issuance platform and contract trading platform cannot only replace the perpetual futures contract functions of major centralized exchanges in the long term, but can even achieve the issuance of any type of assets on the agreement. Coinversation will have a place in traditional finance market. It can be seen that the goal of Coinversation is not only to benchmark the existing synthetic asset platform, but also to become a comprehensive derivatives trading platform to meet the diversified trading needs of users. In the future, Coinversation will not only have DeFi 1.0 products such as synthetic assets and DEX, but will also carry many DeFi 2.0 applications. On the NFT protocol platform, Coinversation has launched a fragmentation protocol and an auction protocol, and will later launch NFT index funds, NFT lending and NFT mortgage loans. If you are interested in learning more about Coinversation, visit the website for details. That's all for today's video. Hope you like it. See you next time.